Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys this neat little product that I picked up about a week ago from the drugstore, and it is for your nails, and it's sort of like nail polish stickers, I guess you could call them, from the brand In Coco. And I've tried them once so far and I really like them. So I wanted to show you guys like just what they are and why I like them. So here's the packaging, and then this is what you get inside. They're like nail stickers for your nails. And then you also get a little cuticle stick as well as a nail file. So here are my nails right now. I'm trying to grow them out. My thumbnails are really easy to grow out, but the rest of them tend to break off at work. And yeah, I'm just really into painting my nails right now, but I also don't like the long like dry time that they usually have, and like how you have to do multiple coats all the time. So this is just kind of an alternative if you're someone like me who doesn't have all the time in the world to do their nails every day or every week. So I'm just going to open these up. Comes with 16 strips. So like 6 extras, and they smell a lot like nail polish when you first take them out. It's pretty intense, pretty weird. But so it's 2 strips just like this, and they each have 8 different nail sizes, and each end is a different size. So if like this end is not the correct size for you, then this end can be. Like they're all different sizes. So it comes with a lot of options for your nails, and that is one thing I really like about it. So I have already filed my nails and used the cuticle pusher to push my cuticles back a little bit, and I'm just gonna dive in. It comes with instructions on the back. So they say, remove clear cover, peel polish strip, tear silver tab and select end, apply to nail and gently stretch to fit, file excess, remove with nail polish remover when you want to take them off. So one thing I thought was so interesting when I was looking at these in the stores is that it says file excess. So like obviously my nail is not that long whatsoever, but so basically you stick it onto your nail and then you file off whatever is left. And I thought that was so interesting. I was like, there's no way that works. Like that's so weird, but it does work and I've tried it. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Hello again. Alrighty, so I just peeled off the first one because I know that one actually fits my thumbnail, and you might want to use something bigger than looks like it'll fit your nail, because like this looks giant to me compared to my nail, but once I put it over and fold it, it literally fits like perfectly. It literally just fits perfectly. So yeah, just really definitely measure it out before you just go in and start peeling and whatnot. So the first direction says remove clear cover. So it's just this. We're going to take that off. The next direction, peel polish strip. So that is referring to the actual like nail polish. You're gonna peel that off. So right here is where you start it, and you just peel that off. So now we just have the polish strip. It's shiny on one side and sticky on the other. And the next direction says tear silver tab and select end. So you just tear this off like that. And so it says select end. I measured it, and I believe that this one is going to fit my nail the best. So after you select your end, you apply, and it says gently stretch to fit. So I literally just line it up. Alright, so after you stick it, it will look like that, and you just really smooth out the polish when you stick it on so that there's no bubbles and so that it's really sticking to the whole entire nail. And then I kind of push it down over the edge of my nail just so I can see like where the nail ends for sure. And then after that, you're just going to file it off. And this is the part that really intrigued me. I did not think it would work at all. So they give you this mini file. You just take it and file away. And once you do that, it literally just peels off. I missed a little bit right there, so I'm gonna go back in. And there you go. And then I have a little tiny piece sticking up, so I'm going to file that as well. And there you go, you have a super smooth painted on nail with a glitter gradient, and it literally took like maybe 2 minutes as opposed to a base coat, 2 coats of color, a glitter gradient coat, and a top coat, and waiting for all that to dry intermittently. You just have the little sticker, and it looks just like nail polish. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest of my nails. Alrighty everybody, so here is the finished look of the nails. This is just so much easier than nail polish in my opinion. So it's really quick, really easy, and I'm so happy that I found this product. It's super affordable. It was like $4.97 and I bought it at Walmart. I'm not sure where else they sell them, but yeah, like $5 for nails that are gonna last a while and that don't take much effort is a pretty decent deal to me. And the only gripe I have with them is maybe their color selection. When you have like pre-made nails like this, I feel like color selection can be tricky just because you don't know what everyone likes and they're trying to create something that everyone likes and wants. But they do have a few cute designs, a few that I really like. I really like this taupey tan color with the gold sparkles. So I also have this one that's like a little crisscrossy white and nude action there with an accent nail. Comment down below if you like these or if you've tried something like these and you have like different brands to mention to me. Comment down below and let me know. Also, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, or if you found a new product you might want to try out. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye, friends.